Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can find favorite photos on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is simply open your Photos application on your iPhone. Here you can see this Photos application, and after doing that, your photos will open. So after opening your Photos application, here you can see all of your photos will open. And from here, now we're going to scroll down until we see the option of media's type and utilities. Here you can see these options, and favorites is on the utilities option right here. You can see favorites. So if you tap on favorites just like this, now all of your favorite photos will open. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can find favorites photos on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.